Hmm?
What? Hmm? Come on, let's get our work done. Hey guys, so it's almost midnight on February 13th, so Valentine's Day is right around the corner. And what am I doing right now? Yeah, so I am making my kids Valentine's Day cards for school, which they really should have turned in a couple of days ago, but hey, I've been pretty busy. You know, when you are a mom of 3 little boys and you run your own business and you know, like we just moved to our new home, so we're still like living out of boxes. There's a lot going on right now, but I do want to show you guys what I'm working on, and hopefully I'll get done before Valentine's Day actually gets here. So to explain first, my one son, who's 7, is obsessed with Minecraft. I mean, he has Minecraft everything. I mean, backpacks, Minecraft lunchbox, Minecraft pencils, Minecraft underwear. You know, like he absolutely just loves Minecraft. So I asked him what did he want to do for his school's Valentine's Day party, what cards did he want to give out. And of course, you know, he said Minecraft, which I knew he would. And to be honest, there's not a lot of Minecraft Valentine's Day cards out there, so I knew I would have to make them anyway. So what I came up with is this little creeper guy, and it has each kid's name at the top. Right across here. And then it says, "Will you be mine? Craft." And then my kid's name. So just trying to be, you know, cute with it. So I think they came out cute. My son loved them. So which is all that counts anyway. So we have that. And what I'm going to do with these is to attach a lollipop to the back of these. And I have my double-sided tape gun, and I'm going to put a couple pieces of tape here just so that it's sturdy and it stays on, and we just pop that right on the back, press down, and there you have it. Has a lollipop on the back, and it's on there pretty well. So for my son's class, who's 7, there's about 22 kids in his class. So I have about 20 more of these to go. But luckily I have them all cut out. So all I have to do is just put the tape on and then, you know, put the lollipops on the back. Now my other son, who's 5, he's into lions. So what we're doing for him is this little guy. It says, "If I said you weren't my friend, I'd be lying. XOXO," and then my son's name. So luckily for my 5-year-old's class, the teacher just wants them, it's kind of generic. She just said that there were 24 kids in her class. So just put, you know, "from" on the cards, and then they'll just go out to each kid. So that was perfect for me because I don't have to personalize each one of them. And actually, to be honest, my son did these last year. We actually just moved, and this school, they haven't seen these before, so it's brand new to them. So I was like, yes, because I don't have to recreate this again. So what we're going to do with these is we are going to, if I can talk, it's late guys, so I'm tired. So what we're going to do is just put some tape on the back, and we're going to put these cute little animal crackers on the back. There you have it. So how cute is this? The animal crackers with the line on the back and the line on the front. It's really cute, right? So again, there's 25 kids in his class, so I got 24 more of these to go. And let's see, the lollipops we use for the creeper ones are the Jolly Rancher lollipops. My husband got these from Acme, I believe, but I'm sure you can get these from anywhere. and animal crackers. Funny story is that when my husband went to go get a box of these, again, there's 25 kids in the class, so we need a few boxes. There was only this one box there. And he went to another grocery store and they weren't there either. So there was a slight shortage on animal crackers. So I'm not sure what's going on, but luckily he went to another one and he did find, you know, some more boxes and he got those. And I think that's about it, guys. It is probably Valentine's Day now. Like I don't have a clock around, but I'm sure it's probably Valentine's Day. And so happy Valentine's Day. And I'll be up for, you know, another 45 minutes doing this. As long as my kids are happy, which I'm sure they will be, that's all that counts. So I'll be tired and do this. But I thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. You can do it. Go, Khalil.
Is it recording? Oh my gosh.
No, come on.
It's recording.
Come on, go.
Hmm?
Can't get started.
Kylo.
Why you going so fast?
That's how we do it.